Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's bad boys and coming in the building? Like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another
Coronavirus!
Brand new banger.
I'm telling you, shit is real!
banger? But right before we get tonight, guys, as always, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really help out your Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, guys, no itching, right into it. Alright, peeps, so some people send me some random videos. We're gonna react to them and see what I go on. Alright? So the first one, you know.
Oh!
Baggy, what are they doing? Jazz?
Yeah.
A jazz at Baggy? Baggy, a jazz at What are you supposed to do?
This is what they stop Corona.
This is what I stop Corona?
Yes, sir.
Bumbo clap!
Bruh.
Yo! Checking temperature. Oh. Yeah, come outside. No, but you watch here. Good.
Yeah man, the regular routine if you can go in our community, you have to get yourself clean up. Thompson Pen Whole Road, strict. We not run no joke with our community.
All over all road, come on all road. We don't live all road, but someone else.
Stay yard, stay home.
Can't stay yard. Big up Andrew. Yeah man. Big up Andrew, bro God.
Honorable bro God.
Can I yard? No stranger. Only over all road, come on.
Procedure, you see me?
Yeah man, second day.
Check your temperature.
Just near him up. We are the queen working.
Confine area. I heard that is in Central. But we not see no social distance.
Yes.
Nobody have no mask and no gloves. So based off what I've read, guys, some people in St. Ann, just like the other community a while ago, they're bordering off the area. So if you're not from the area, do not enter the area. I like that. That's good practice in to keep everybody one place and protect yourself. But they need to have safety gears though. Just saying.
The stop moving statements that I made, I will continue to make them, and I will ask everybody to continue to make them. If you must speak to your neighbor over the fence, keep a 2-meter distance from your neighbor in case he coughs. And if he coughs, run.
Yeah, it's up. I like that lady. My lady said, if you have a talk to your neighbor, keep 2 meters away. And if they cough,
Run.
Just as many people can't afford to lose a single dollar.
Yeah, tonight Jeremy Harris investigating what state officials are doing about this consumer trap.
They go by a couple different names, blessing looms, gifting looms, or wisdom circle, but the idea is all the same. You pay money to join the group, and then you get other people to join in, and then you can get a payout. Now, if that sounds like a scam, that's because it is, but at a time when people are vulnerable and desperate, they're falling for.
At its core, it's still just a Ponzi scheme. Schemes like this, where there's no real product being sold, are illegal.
A loom works by having participants put in money to join. Nowadays, the scheme works with online payments like Venmo and PayPal and online message groups. The person at the center of the loom gets a payout when new people buy in.
We really need to be on guard. We need to actually be a little more forward-leaning.
Especially now when many are out of work and looking for a way to make extra money.
Just because you're feeling vulnerable or scared doesn't mean that you can let your guard down.
Sir, I'm asking you to remove from here. Remove from here, sir. You cannot park here. This is the airport. No, you don't understand what the yellow marking on the curb means? You need to remove, sir. I don't care about that. You can't be here. Oh, wow, I miss those days.
Oh!
Nobody here. I can't even charge somebody for parking elsewhere.
Is that the airport? The police officer board. He would have nobody to talk to at the airport. But I talk to himself.
He needs some milk.
Jano, stay inside, peeps. Stay inside. Alright, guys, we're reacting to the last one now.
Do the bunny shake, do the bunny shake.
Bitch, what?
Do the bunny shake, do the bunny shake. Hop then shake, hop then shake, hop then shake. Do the bunny shake, do the bunny 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 shake.
No, 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 no.
Hop then shake, hop then shake. Do the bunny shake, do the bunny shake. Do the bunny shake, do the bunny shake.
Well, I'm piece of ear going on. I want that, but that's what. What? What? You know what? I'm gonna come off of that something. Alright, peeps. So my feedback on the whole matter is there's a lot of crazy people out there. And I like the fact that some persons are really standing up and trying to keep Jamaica safe or their community safe. If you're not from the area, do not go in there. You know what I mean? You're not welcome. And if you live in that area, sanitize and thing. Alright? But pretty much the man them will prepare up the area, and if you're gonna do so, make sure you wear your gloves them and your thing and thing them and you're safe. Alright? And the scamming thing there. No, yo, watching yourself. This bag of Loom thing and you get new members. You know, somebody always wonder about that thing there. Watching yourself. Remember that last one that they come Jamaica and just, yo, you have so much of them. I don't want to call my name. I have friends that are in some, but I don't think I might think that still. I don't really trust it. Especially now. What CNN does say. But anyway, peeps, let me know what you think down in the comment section down below. Yeah? And thanks for watching. And let's go on journey with your boy. Ah, shoo!
Yeah, yeah.